Hey, do you clean the bogie wheels properly before going in?
The factory's been so busy lately, we haven't had time to clean the bogie wheels.
If oil and dust stick to them, they'll leave marks on the floor and might contaminate the products.
I know. Isn't there a better way?
So, our company installed the caster cleaner. Just push the cart into the caster clean room and roll it over the equipment. The wheels are automatically washed. The caster cleaner uses water to clean every nook and cranny, and with its automatic loading system, both front and rear wheels can be clean without much effort. Just push the bogie and go. It features a detection sensor that automatically starts when the cart approaches, and high-pressure water reliably removes contaminants from the wheels. For a clean factory environment, caster cleaner is essential, not optional.
In a pharmaceutical factory, hygiene is everything. Even a small particle of dust or foreign matter stuck in the wheel gap can threaten product safety. That's why the caster cleaner is a must. In pharmaceutical, cosmetics, and food plants, where cleanliness is vital, the caster cleaner fundamentally prevents wheel contamination from all types of carts and trolleys. It washes vigorously with water, detergent, and sponge rollers, removing dust and debris with powerful 99.9% cleaning performance. For carts weighing more than 200 kilograms, it can be installed flush with the floor.
Our company places the highest importance on hygiene. At first, we cleaned the cart wheels manually, which wasn't effective and even spread dirt around. Since introducing the caster cleaner, our workflow has become more efficient. Cleaning time has shortened, and we can bring in drums and materials without worrying about contamination. It's a huge relief.
In a clean room, even the wheels must be completely clean. How does the caster cleaner meet such standards?
The entire system is made of stainless steel, and each component can be easily replaced for simple maintenance.
When a cart passes, it automatically detects and performs washing, draining, and drying, all at once. No need for separate power or drainage construction, making installation simple. Maintenance is easy. All parts are modular and replaceable. The drying mat that removes moisture and the cleaning rods are easily swapped with one touch. From contamination detection to cleaning, everything is fully automatic. It also reduces water consumption by over 70%. Discharged water is purified through filters, neutralized, and reused.
That's amazing. Both floors and wheels stay spotless. It easily meets European standards.
Caster cleaner, keeping industry moving clean.